Today in English we will see letter O. This is capital letter O. This is small letter O. O for onion. O for oven. O for octopus. O for open. Children, now circle capital letter O. So you have to circle only the capital letter O. Other letters don't circle, children, okay? See here, only capital letter O you have to circle. Okay? Now circle small letter O. So you are going to circle only the small letter O. See here, like this you have to circle in your book. Okay, children? Only small letter O you have to circle. Other letters you should not do. Okay, children? Next, take the picture whose name starts with the letter O. So, you are going to take only the pictures starting with the letter O. O for octopus. So, you have to put a tick. This is chalk. So, you should not tick. O for oven. So, you have to put a tick. This is glass. So, you should not tick. Okay, children? See here. For writing capital letter O, put one circle like this. Okay, this is capital letter O. See here, this is orange picture. In this, they have given the dotted lines. So, now we are going to trace on the dotted lines. This is capital letter O. Okay, children, O for orange. This is small letter O. For writing small letter O, put one circle like this. Okay, children, this is octopus. In octopus picture, they have given small letter O. Now we are going to circle the small O. Okay, children. So we are going to join the dots. See here, small letter O, you have to join like this. Okay, ma? Children, now next page. See here, this is orange picture. In this picture they have given dotted lines. Now we are going to trace on the dotted line. See here, this is capital letter O. Okay. Now they have given in 4 lines to write capital letter O. See here, you have to touch on the first red line. Put one circle. It should come and stop on the second blue line. Again go up and join the circle. This is capital letter O. Okay, children, put one circle. Capital O. You have to say and write, children. Okay. Now see here. This is small O. Okay. So you have to trace on the dotted lines like this. Small O. Okay. O for octopus. Now we are going to write small letter O. Okay. Small letter O you have to write within this 2 blue lines. See here. Touch on the first blue line and put one circle. Okay, children, this is small O. Small O. Okay, say and write and complete it. Okay, children, finish the dotted lines, both capital O and small O, and then complete this page also. Okay, children, that's all for today's class. Thank you.